Come test drive the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.